Good morning, dear students. Do you know another name for holidays? It's fun time. Sitting idle whole day long and doing nothing leads to boredom. So here we are with some hands-on activities which will not keep you engaged but will entertain you. We have planned handful of activities which will help our loving kids to build knowledge and increase their long-term memory while having fun. Our first activity is Lion's birthday party. This is the board where you are going to play this game. Parent support is needed to play this game. They are suggested to take printout of given board and arrange the required things and guide them to play the game. Everyone starts from the go point. Minimum 2 players are required to play this game. Throw the dice and move around the board. When you land on the box of a particular animal, you have to describe it. For example, if you land on the lion box, you have to speak few lines that it is a wild animal and eats flesh of other animals. Or you have to perform any task related to that animal. For example, roar like a lion, nibble like a rabbit, or jump like a monkey. The person who will score more will be the winner, and the winner will get a chance to join the party. Remember, if you reach on pet card, wild card, farm card or water card box, then you have to name the animal related to that card which is not mentioned on the board. For example, if you reach on pet card, you can name parrot as its name is not there on the board. Next activity is night sky watch. Doesn't the sky look lovely at night? See the stars shining brightly and look how beautiful the moon is. Oh yes, the moon is completely circular today. It is a full moon. Why can't you see moon few days back? Just notice the moon keeps on changing its shape because of revolution of earth. So, what are you going to do in this activity? You will be observing the twinkling of the stars, capture the different phases of the moon. Different phases mean shapes. Make a collage and share. Parents can also join in this activity to make it more wonderful. They can explain vocabulary words related to phases of moon and twinkling of stars as explained in the upcoming slides. Twinkling of stars is caused by the passing of light through different layers of atmosphere on Earth. First phase is new moon. A new moon cannot normally be seen from Earth. This phase occurs when the moon is directly between the Earth and the Sun. This is because the side of the moon facing the Earth does not get sunlight. After 2-3 days, we can see some part of the moon. This phase is called waxing crescent. As moon is gaining light, we use the term waxing. About a week after the new moon, we can see half of the moon. This phase is called first quarter. 2-3 days after the first quarter, more than half of the moon is visible. This phase is called the waxing gibbous. About 2 weeks after the new moon, we can see full moon. Full moon is the brightest phase of the moon. The full moon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun. Now, moon begins the return journey from the full moon to the new moon. Next phase is called the waning gibbous. More than half of the moon is visible. As the moon is losing light, we use the term waning. Next phase comes is the last quarter, or we can say it half moon, followed by the waning crescent. Here the moon looks like the crescent. When the moon comes back between the earth and the sun, it enters the new moon phase again. The number of days between two new moons is 28 to 29. You can see the diagram showing different phases of moon as seen from Earth. In this diagram, we can see the Earth in the center, Sun on the side, which is giving light, and the moon is revolving around its orbit. Orbit is the path. The moon is changing shape from new moon to waxing crescent, first quarter, which is also called half moon, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, which is also half moon, and waning crescent. It is said that the moon and the month are coordinated with each other, as month completes its cycle in almost 1 month. Hoping your summer break includes lots of family time, ice cream, laughter, and fabulous memories.